In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the passenger side front seat in the Chevy Colorado. This should be the same for about 2015 to 2022. There are some hidden fasteners. If you've never done this before, you might be scratching your head at how to remove them. Maybe you spilled something on your seat and you need to take it out and get a deep clean. Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove that seat and how to reinstall it. You're going to want to move your seat all the way forward. Now there's only going to be two fasteners holding in this seat. So it's pretty obvious you have one right here. You're going to need a T50. And now when you come over to this side, you expect to find a fastener, but there's not one there. So now you come in through the front driver's door, and you'll see there's kind of a little split in the carpet right there. Just get your finger under there, gently lift this up, revealing the other T50 screw. Now we need to remove the seat belt. So there's going to be a T30 screw in there. This guy right here. And once you remove the screw, this comes apart. And you don't just want to keep yanking on this to try and get it out. You just rotate it. It'll come right out. So now you're just going to lift up in the back and slide the seat backwards a little bit. Now this might be a little bit tricky, so I want to show you that it's kind of hooked into place. That might help you remove it a little bit. So you lift up in the back, slide back, and then you have to bring the seat kind of up at an angle and bring it back. So it's basically just kind of hooked into place. You're going to see a spider web of wires, and you're going to wonder, how the heck do I remove this? Well, right underneath here is a connector. If you lift up this flap, you'll see that yellow connector. And that's what we need to undo next. All right, so now you need to get this wiring apart. So you're going to slide this red tab up as high as you can, and then lift up on the gray section, and then it's going to come right apart. And now we can basically pull the seat out. And now with the seat out, you can see what the previous owner used to eat or drink. Got some sunflower seeds there. Looks like we got a nice big nail under there. Now we can get this all cleaned out properly. Quickly, you're going to squeeze together. You're going to rotate the gray down while you squeeze. And now it's all locked into place. What you do is get this kind of hook metal piece inside these two slots. So you need to lift up from the back of the chair, and you're going to kind of put it at an angle and then level out. All right, so now you can go ahead and tighten up the two back bolts. And then tuck that carpet back underneath there. Now we just want to go ahead and operate the seat. Make sure that it slides back and forth like it should. So now we need to put that seat belt bracket together. That just kind of goes at an angle. Rotate it down. Close it up. And that's all there is to it, guys. That's how you remove and reinstall the passenger side front seat in a Chevy Colorado. I took it out to do a real good steam clean all over the floor and the seat. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.